In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a form name on Jotform. Now let's dive into a simple but essential task that every Jotform user should know, is changing the name of a form. Whether you're refining an existing form or simply made a typo, adjusting a form's name helps keep your projects organized and easily recognizable. First, head over to Jotform's website. For those unfamiliar, Jotform is a popular online tool that allows anyone to create custom forms for their website or for various purposes without needing any coding knowledge. Once you're on their homepage, the first step is to log into your account. To do that, simply click on the login button located typically at the top right corner of the page. This step is pretty straightforward, but if it's your first time, you might need to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. For those who have connected their Jotform account to a Google account or another platform for easier access, you'll see the option to log in using your preferred method. Just click on the Google button or whichever platform you have connected to proceed. This is particularly handy if you want to bypass remembering another password and streamline your login process, leveraging the security and convenience of your existing accounts. After successfully logging in, navigate to the My Forms section. This is where all your form magic happens, where you create, edit, and manage your forms. Consider this your command center for all things form related in Jotform. Now, finding the specific form you want to rename might require a bit of scrolling, especially if you've been prolific in form creation. Once you've located the form in question, look for a More button or option, often indicated by 3 dots or a similar icon. This is where Jotform hides all the extra settings that don't fit neatly elsewhere, including the option we need. Clicking on More will bring up a list of actions. From this list, choose Rename. This is a simple step, but it's where the magic happens. It's your chance to give your form a new identity, correct any typos, or simply make the form name more aligned with its purpose or the data you're collecting. Upon selecting Rename, you should be able to type in the new name for your form directly. Take a moment to consider the name's clarity and relevance. A good form name not only reflects its intent, but also makes it easier to find and reference in the future. Whether you're collecting survey responses, registration details, or feedback, a well-named form is like a well-labeled file, infinitely easier to work with. Once you've typed in the new name, confirm your change. It's worth noting that Jotform updates these changes in real time, so there's no need to look for a save button. The moment you finalize the renaming process, your form will bear its new title across all your Jotform dashboards and anywhere the form is connected or embedded. It's that simple. You've now mastered the task of renaming a form in Jotform, a skill that, while minor, plays a significant role in keeping your digital workspace tidy and organized. Remember, the names you choose for your forms can greatly impact your form management strategy, especially as the number of forms you create grows. It helps to adopt a consistent naming convention early on, something that makes sense to you and any team members who might be working with these forms. And there you have it, folks. A straightforward guide to renaming your forms on Jotform. This process not only helps keep your work organized, but also ensures that you can easily navigate through your forms, making your experience on Jotform smoother and more efficient. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial. I hope this video has been helpful and has made your Jotform experience even better. Don't forget to experiment with all the great features Jotform has to offer, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your online forms.